This is a review video from the clutch. I still haven't got it fixed, so I decided to paint it. Painted it with heat. What kind of paint is it? I forgot what kind of paint it was. But anyway, kind of tired. I've been in the sun all day long. Get a close up. I'm doing purple with silver. Get the spokes. Brake caliber. I actually did the rims and the outside tire. Really didn't. Like I said, I was kind of tired, so just kind of did it the fast way. From before, it was Louis Vuitton, brown and gold. I had these on the feet pedals. Just took those off and painted them. Yeah, my clutch still broke. Clutch still broke. High performance engine. Thinking about putting on a high performance carburetor, but it runs real good, so it doesn't really need one. Just need the clutch. Yeah, that's basically it. Wait till this thing starts up. Still got the speakers on there from the CD player. I'm thinking about putting that back on. I don't know. All right. Bye.